To download Debian, go to debian.org. Click on the network install link underneath Getting Debian, and then choose AMD 64. At least this will be the case for most people. If you have a modern Intel or AMD processor that is 64-bit, then this is the link you need to choose. Make sure you select Save File, click OK. Whilst you're waiting for that to download, head over to virtualbox.org. Click on the link to download the latest version, and then, assuming you're using Windows, click on Windows Hosts. Again, save the file. When VirtualBox is finished downloading, you can install it by double-clicking on the executable file in your Downloads folder. Click Next. Click Next again, and again. Take note of what it says here, and then click Yes. Click Install. Click Yes here. And if you want to start VirtualBox right away, you can do. Click Finish. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first virtual machine, or VM. Once that VM is up and running, I'll show you how to install Debian to it.